Happy New Year to each and every one of you out there, and Rollercoin have already started the new year with another puzzle event and much more. Let's check it all out right here on That Techo guy. Stay tuned. Another year has begun, so Happy New Year to every one of you out there, and thank you for being here. I hope that you enjoyed the festivities. On Rollercoin, we've got tons going on at the moment as well, so let's kick it off. So on my screen here, you can see the homepage of Rollercoin, and you can see we've also got a puzzle event that has started, and that just started yesterday evening. Tabula Rasa, 2 days, 7 hours, 15 minutes remaining for that puzzle event. You can also see all the other events, and we're going to go through those quickly as well. I'm going to mainly focus on the puzzle event, and there is also a race tournament that's got another 3 days and 7 hours and 14 minutes remaining. Starting quickly with the race tournament. To enter the race tournament this time, you do need to complete tasks on the offer walls. For each RLT that you earn on the offer wall, you will get 1,000 points, okay? The more points you earn, obviously, the bigger the rewards, and the main prizes are here. I have not yet finished the offer wall. Unfortunately, in my country, some of the offer walls are not valid, so I probably won't be able to take part in this one, but you might be able to, and those are the requirements for this race tournament. And I wish you the very best of luck for this as well, okay? So be sure to complete some of these tasks, and maybe you can get in that race tournament as well. Each RLT, remember, 1,000 points, okay? That's the race tournament. Going on with Tabula Rasa, the puzzle event, okay? So in this puzzle event, we can see the prizes like usual at the top, the progression bar here. And we can see that just to get the first temporary bonus here, if you click on that, the temporary bonus power, again, it's not listed how much the temporary bonus power is, but you only need to complete 2 tasks. So if you literally win 100 games in this one, so you'll complete 50 games, and you'll win 100 games, you'll get the first reward. Another 4 tasks completed on top of that, and you'll get the second reward, which is the Quantum Core X9 miner at 850 terahash. This miner can be sold, and it can also be revealed as a random piece from the puzzle as well. That has also got a 1% bonus attached to it. If you manage to get both of these, so the one from the top and the one from the random piece, you'll be able to merge those into an uncommon Quantum Core X9 miner, okay? The next one on the list, if you complete another 4 tasks on top of that, so a total of 10 tasks, is a new miner that I haven't seen before. It's called Stellar Gem. This cannot be sold, and it will give you 4 petahash in power, okay? Another 3 on top of that, and you'll get another one of those Stellar Gems, which you can merge together to create an uncommon Stellar Gem. And if you do the final 3 tasks at the end, you'll actually get an uncommon Stellar Gem, which will give you 10.5 petahash in power. And if you've already got the first 2, because obviously to get the last one you have to go through these 2, you can actually merge all of them into a rare Stellar Gem for even more power and even more bonus power. You can see in the random pieces here, each and every task that you complete will reveal a random piece. For the first 2, like I mentioned, you'll be getting double the rewards because you'll be getting some temporary bonus power, and so on and so forth for each milestone that you hit in the progression bar. Okay, you can see temporary bonus power here, so we've got 100 terahash, quite a few of those for 7 days, and there is 250 terahash as well for 7 days. There's 2 of those, I believe. I think one of them was the 100 terahash one, and the other was the 250. I'm not totally sure, but it was temporary bonus power just the same. But if you haven't started the puzzle event yet, you can see the pieces once you enter the page for the puzzle event as well. Okay, so we've got a couple of RST pieces here that you can reveal: 200 RST, 40 RST, 320 RST, and 80 RST. There is Guess the Card Miner as well at 2.8 petahash per second, which is the uncommon version, and this is at 1.64% bonus power. We've got Priscilla here, which is 100 terahash in power with 1.5% bonus power. Again, you can merge those 2 in an uncommon and get even more power and even more bonus power as well. Going through the tasks very quickly: exchange 3 RLT. win 50 games, merge 180 parts, exchange 12 RLT, win 100 games, merge 380 parts, exchange 38 RLT, win 150 games, open 38 loot boxes, exchange 72 RLT, win 200 games, open 72 lucky loot boxes, exchange 114 RLT and open 114 lucky RLT cases. I've already done the open 3 lucky RLT cases and open 12 lucky RLT cases. Remember, for the exchanges at the moment, at the time of recording this video, there is a 25% discount on XRP. Be sure to take advantage of that discount so that you can exchange less of your crypto and get more RLT. When you're exchanging more RLT, obviously you're exchanging more RLT for the puzzle event. Also, you'll be getting a bigger multiplier, and at the moment, as we saw at the very start, there is still 7 hours remaining for the progression event called Hangover Progression Event, okay? And here you can get the totally unboxed miner at 5.3 petahash per second. That is the uncommon version of the totally unboxed miner. To go quickly through that Hangover Progression Event, here is the list of rewards thanks to Piero's list. There are 37 levels in this progression event, and in a nutshell, there is a total of 23 petahash in miners power if you manage to get all of the miners in this progression event. There are also 37.95% bonus power attached to those miners if you place all of the miners on your racks and in your room. That is very important, otherwise the miners bonus will not count, and it will also not count if you've already got the same type of miner with the same level in your room already, okay? So you can only have one type. For example, if there's Granny's Cake here and it's the uncommon version, but you've got the common version in your room, then this will still count. The 2.1% bonus here in this example will still count because you don't have the uncommon, you have the common, okay? Just putting that out there for people who are new to Rollercoin and have just started as well, okay? In fact, here is the common version at 2%. So if you get the Granny's Cake and the Granny's Cake uncommon, you'll get a total there easily of 4.1% if you place both miners on your rack and in your room. There is also a total of 9.5 petahash in temporary bonus power. Most of this bonus power is valid for 1 week. I think all of it is just for 1 week, but it's still 9.5 petahash extra for 1 week, just the same. 160 EXP points towards the season in this progression event that can be won as well. The first one here is at level 3 with 10 EXP. We've got some 50 EXP here at level 15 as well, and you've got another 100 EXP here at level 26 as well. And there is a whopping 2,600 RST that you can spend in the season store, and you can spend to open part boxes and merge those miners to more powerful miners with the parts. You can even buy some cool and powerful miners with the RST that you gain as well. So 2,600 RST is quite a significant amount of RST. There is also a 50% discount on the multiplier at the moment, and there is also a 4-hour duration on the multiplier. Okay, so you've got more time with the multiplier to be able to complete more of your tasks and get more of those rewards. Okay, so that's pretty cool as well. So for each and every 5 RLT that you exchange, you'll be getting ×1 multiplier. Okay, so as soon as you exchange to the first 5 RLT, you'll get ×2 as a total multiplier because you've already got ×1 from the very beginning. So that is the progression event. Thank you to Piero for that list. 37 levels, so get cracking if you want to complete that one. 7 hours remaining at the time of recording this video. This did start, I think, 2 days ago, okay? And I literally hope that you do not have a hangover after all the festivities. There's also the Hangover Craft going on, another 7 hours as well, same as the progression event, and there are these miners that you can actually craft and get. These cannot be sold, so you can do this craft with the components that you can see here. If you just hover on the components, it'll tell you what the components are, and it doesn't really cost that much to do. Remember that when you are actually doing the craft, you are actually getting 5,000 points for each and every RLT that you spend in the craft, which will help you significantly boost up this progression event right here. As you can see, 5,000 points are without the multiplier, so if you do have a multiplier, those need to be multiplied accordingly, so you can literally blast your way through the progression event even faster when doing the craft with a multiplier as well. Okay, let's go back to the home page because there is something very nice as well going on at the moment, and this is the celebration of the first Bitcoin block sale. Okay, so here we have BTC Block 0 miner. This miner cannot be sold. It will give you 700 terahash and 1% in bonus power. If you manage to merge this miner to the very end and get the Unreal version of this miner, you'll get 90 petahash with 34% bonus power, which is truly powerful. Okay, I did convert that. It does cost $5. Okay, unfortunately the BTC Block 0 miner is now sold out. They literally disappeared. Okay, this was a very good opportunity here to try and get 90 petahash with 34% bonus power. Okay, it was a limited time offer. There are, yes, still 7 hours remaining, but it's pointless because you cannot actually buy those. I don't know if the Rollercoin team will actually extend this further, maybe put some more out there, but it might not be possible as well. So try and look out for this. Maybe it will be extended because it did just go by so quickly that all of those miners did evaporate since they were limited time pieces. Okay, so that is pretty much for all of the events that are going on at the moment. I wish you the very best of luck and a healthy and prosperous new year 2025. I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified about new videos that do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves and thanks for watching.